Suganya, how would you professionally say I'll get back to you later?
I'll circle back once I have more clarity on this.
Well done. Nikhil, how would you professionally say can we talk tomorrow?
Let's touch base tomorrow post lunch.
Perfect. Ravali, how would you professionally say let's make sure we both understand?
Ensure we're on the same page before execution.
Perfect. Satish, how would you professionally say I'll keep you updated?
I will keep you in the loop on this.
Perfect. Okay, Divya, how would you professionally say we'll start working on that next week?
That's already in the pipeline for next week.
Well done. Okay, Kiran, how would you professionally say I don't know yet?
That's still under review. I'll revert once I have a confirmation.
Perfect.